Good morning. Okay, what we're going to do is look at multiplying surds. And what I actually want for us to do is for us to recall some of the things you were doing with algebra. Okay, so if you remember, x times x was x squared. X times y, they are not like terms. I couldn't add them, but I can multiply them. And 2x times 4y, I multiply my coefficients first, and I get 8xy. Now, surds are no different. Let's look at those rules. So the first rule is that root a times root b is root ab. And you know that because you've been using this rule to simplify. Okay. Then they had root a times root a is equal to root a squared, which of course is equal to a, isn't it? And the last one is a root b times c root d, and it's exactly like what we were doing. I multiply these and I get AC, then BD. We've been using those, you've been using those again to simplify. Let's have some examples. So in the first case, root A times root B. If I had root 6 times root 2, I would get root 12. But I don't stop there. I have to see whether or not this can be simplified. Sometimes they can't, but 12 has 4, isn't it? So 12 root 4 times root 2, root 3. Make it a bit of that. And I get 2 root 3. So if you can simplify, you must. Let's look at another one. Example 2. Root A times root A is equal to A squared. If I had the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, it would be 3 times 3, square root of 9, which is 3. 4 root 2 times root 2 would be 4 times 2 times 2. 4 root 4 is equal to 8. Where you can, you must simplify. And our last example, a root b times c root d is equal to a c b d. Let's have an example. 2 root 3 times 4 root 2 is equal to 2 times 4, 8. Can I simplify this? But if we had 2 root 12 times 2 root 3, I would have 4 root 36, 4 times 6. So in everything, we have to simplify and know our square numbers.